Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am very happy to see all in B Pharmacy fourth semester. Medicinal Chemistry 1 is the one of the subject for B Pharmacy second year fourth semester. Based on PC syllabus, we need to study about medicinal chemistry subject. I hope you all clearly will understand the medicinal chemistry. Before that, we must know the difference between pharmaceutical chemistry and medicinal chemistry. Medicinal chemistry is focused on drug design and chemical synthesis. At the same time, pharmaceutical chemistry also studies the drug design and synthesis, but takes it a step further with the process of bringing new drugs to the market. See, come to the medicinal chemistry. What the main aim and objective is to design, to impart fundamental knowledge on the structure, chemistry and therapeutic value of drugs. The medicinal subject emphasis on drug structure active relationship, importance of physicochemical properties and the metabolism of drugs, and also emphasis on chemical synthesis of important drugs under each category. And the objective is to understand the chemical as well as chemistry of drugs with respect to the biological activity, to understand the drug metabolic pathway, adverse effect and the therapeutic value of drugs, to must know the structural active relationship of different classes of drugs. Finally, we need to draw the chemical synthesis of some few drugs. See, coming to this, what are the content present in medicinal chemistry subject? Study of development of following class of drugs, classification, mechanism of drugs, mechanism of actions of drugs, use of drugs mentioned in the course, structure and relationship of selective class of drugs as specified in the courses. So, in the medicinal chemistry 1, we have 5 units. In the unit 1 contains introduction to medicinal chemistry, history and development of medicinal chemistry, physicochemical properties in relation to the biological action, and drug metabolism. Coming to the next unit, drugs acting on ANS, that means autonomic nervous system. So in that we have some subdivisions. One is adrenergic neurotransmitters, sympathomimetic agent, including assay of symptomatic agent, adrenergic antagonist. So in that we have two types of blockers will be there. So alpha adrenergic blockers, beta adrenergic blockers. Next, coming to the unit 3, it contains many subdivisions. So one is cholinergic neurotransmitters, parasympathomimetic agent, including SAR of agent, direct acting agent, indirect acting agent, that means cholinesterase inhibitor, cholinesterase reactivator, cholinergic blocking agent, including SAR, solaneous alkaloids and analogs, synthetic cholinergic blocking agent. So these are the units 3. So next, coming to this unit 4, it contains drugs which is acting on CNS, that means central nervous system. So we have some subdivisions. In the subdivision A, sedative and hypnotic drugs. So benzodiazepines, barbituric acid, miscellaneous. These are comes under sedative hypnotic drugs. Subdivision B, antipsychotics. So what are the drugs means? Nothing but here phenothiazine, ring analogs of phenothiazines. So fluorobutyrophenones, beta aminoketones, benzamides. Next subdividing is anticonvulsant drugs. So which are drugs? Nothing but here barbituric acid, hydrantine, oxazolidine diones, succinamides, urea and monoalkyl urea, benzodiazepines and miscellaneous compounds. Come to the unit 4, it contains drugs which is acting on CNS, central nervous system. That means general anesthetics, inhalers anesthetics, ultra short acting palmitic acid, dissociative anesthetics, narcotic and non-narcotic analgesics. In that morphine, related drugs, narcotic antagonist, and inflammatory agent. So here all the drugs we should study about